One has to wonder how many more of these Olympic caliber goaltenders the Leafs have to go up against until they can just get, the odd weak one. I really wish Vancouver would have put Raycroft in net. Leafs lose 3-2 against the Sabres in a true heartbreaker. And my theories continue that the C in HSBC stands for cursed. No matter what we do, the Leafs just can't win in that building. Forget winning, it's hard enough to even score a goal. But Grabovski, our man, the guy who's really been turning it around the last couple of games, scores with 37 seconds left. Only for us to lose in overtime. And why? We were killing a penalty again. Guys, smarten up. We didn't have Gus in net, this could have been a really ugly game. Then again, if they didn't have Miller in net, it could have been an ugly game for them. Really a funny game, trading chances back and forth the whole time. But that's no excuse, stay out of the box. No surprise to fans, the Leafs also gave up the opening goal for the 11th straight time. And Hagman spoon-fed them the second goal on a sloppy giveaway. Are you noticing what I'm noticing? Hagman gets his hat trick in Anaheim and just sits back and rests on his laurels. He wasn't that great in Dallas, and he wasn't great again in Buffalo. But Leafs Nation, it's all about being positive, so let's try and keep our spirits high. If the game had ended 40 seconds earlier, we would have had one less point. And you have to be happy with the perseverance and effort shown by our team. Because it can't be easy showing energy with under a minute left knowing you're losing. If you've noticed the goals against in the last few games, you've noticed they've been getting lower and lower. Yet, another positive. And recently, there haven't been any blowout games. We've been keeping them really close. But close still isn't 2 points. We gotta toughen up. Toughen up, but not in the punching kind of way. So it's time for the question of the game. Let's have a little bit of fun with this. Ian White scores the opening goal for the Leafs, tying it at 1. Now be creative. Is there anything Ian White can't do? I'd give you an example, but I can't think of one. Have some fun with this. Be creative, be funny. Maybe tell me a Chuck Norris joke, but put in Ian White's name. Ian White doesn't sleep. He waits. Before going to bed, the boogeyman checks his closet for Ian White. You get the point. Make me laugh, make yourself laugh, make everyone laugh, and I'll talk to you guys soon.